Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today we'll try to guys Samsung phone with this home icon guys, how to remove on screen. Friends, we have got this home icon screen, and guys you don't know what is it and guys how to use it and how can we remove get this home icon in Samsung phone device. Today friends, I will show you this how to solve this human icon problem. So this is, as you can say guys, like shortcut setting guys you can use from here. So friends, first of all we will on guys menu setting guys, and friends you can see get this accessibility menu setting guys, you can use this shortcut setting, but guys open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see get this phone accessibility setting guys, this man human accessibility setting we will tap here, and when scroll it. First you can see advanced setting, we will tap here. Guys click on accessibility button setting, guys select action, guys tap here, and guys scroll it. And once you can check guys assistant menu here in your Samsung phone device guys, you will have to only tap here where this human icon will remove on your screen. Friends, you can check human icon will remove on screen. So like that guys, you can remove your phone human icon on your screen in your Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.